Hello viewers, and welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode we're going to be looking at an update of the 1953 Chevrolet Corvette. This model is by AMT. Here we have a look at the interior. Overall, everything sat in place pretty well, but I had to work with the door cards to get them to sit just right with the body lines of the car. Here we have a look at the dashboard. One of the cool features I've always liked about some of the 50s Sportsters and convertibles was that the mirror sat right on the dashboard. It's a feature you don't see in today's vehicles. Another element of classic styling, lost to history, I guess. I'm putting the rearview mirror in place with a drop of white school glue. And then I'll go ahead and turn it to what I feel is a good position for the driver to view out the rear. As I'm looking at everything, I really like the blue color and the choice I made for going with the 54 color combination of the Corvette rather than the standard 53. Now I have to admit, probably one of the hardest things that I've faced on this model was putting this darn windshield in the chrome frame. I fumbled and fumbled. I used my same white glue process so I wouldn't mess up the glass or the plastic of the windshield with any fogging using any of the styrene type glues. But just getting it to sit was so hard. It almost seemed like it doesn't quite have the correct shape. But after a lot of fiddling, I got it to sit down in place, and I had to leave well enough alone. So here I just kind of put it there. Here's everything in place, and it looks good, I have to admit. So just know you're going to have a little bit of fiddling to do it. Look at the interior. Here I'm turning my attention towards the engine components and detailing all that. Test fitting everything on the chassis. Here I'm starting to glue everything in place. The exhaust is in place. Well, the next update that I'll have will be the final review. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.